Assalamu alaikum. We're just off to another masjid today, Masjid Quba. I don't think it's far from the ocean, the sea from here. You can see the sea. So it's nice to go to different massajids and do lectures in this beautiful country of Sierra Leone. Brother Akhi Mahmoud bought some mangoes for us today. Can't wait to have some fresh mangoes, inshallah.
Mangoes are here.
Well, I have to try them because my wife always says Pakistani mangoes are the best, so I have to try. MashaAllah, the little mangoes there, baby mangoes. But alhamdulillah, they're not modified. What do you call that word? Modified. That's what it's more. Maybe the Pakistani ones. They're modified. Barakallah feekum to Akhi Mahmoud. The guy's having a wee out here. I don't want to record him. He's standing over the edge having a wee. Allahu Akbar. This is amazing. Well, we're going to another masjid. I can't wait. I love the names of the masajids here. Masjid Quba, Masjid Sunnah. It's really nice names. It's a beautiful country. I definitely recommend anybody and everybody to come and visit. Inshallah, myself and Ustad Nasser, we're going to come back hopefully, inshallah, again in the future, inshallah, when the ticket's slightly cheaper
On Masjid,
and it's a bit cooler.
And the name of the masjid is Masjid Nabawi.
Masjid Nabawi, inshallah.
It's here, just a name. This one.
Masjid Nabawi.
Yes. It's here.
It's a very nice one. 3 floors.
Mango tree, that one, or orange tree, that one? Orange tree.
One of the radio stations that we have to come is up here.
Okay.
It's by this side. Citizen Radio.
Okay, mashallah.
This lady looks very serious.
How you doing? Then I tell you that we get all the type of work and program urgently. Okay. Yes. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you. They're very polite, the people here. The police are very polite, very respectful. To be honest, the general folk around here are very, very polite, very respectful. The only person I've come across who's a bit grumpy is the lady who makes the omelettes in the canteens. Apart from that, everybody's really nice, everybody's respectful. Don't be fooled by the way people are here, what you can see, but they are really nice and welcoming. Alhamdulillah, the people are very respectful. Very nice people, alhamdulillah. So far it's been an amazing experience, and alhamdulillah, the days are going nice and slow, which is good. Inshallah, we're here for probably another 2 days, and then we go to another location.
We're in 40 markets now, by the old road.
Oh, go before more!
It's clear.
As you can see, when you drive here, you got a particular type of driver. No indication, no reference, just this. Pedal on the metal and go. The wedding's taking place here. I'll give this one about 2 months. Spent quite a bit money in the Range Rover. Yeah, I really like this country. I think it's beautiful, mashallah. this area is called Kissi. The name of the main road is called Kissi Road, and this is the area called Kissi. We're nearly near at the masjid now, Masjid Quba. Inshallah, we'll stop now and I hope we continue once we get out of the vehicle. Alhamdulillah.